In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Calamity Infernum multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up a multiplayer session for Calamity Infernum is rather simple. This is because all that you would have to do previously is get the Calamity mod, get the Infernum mode mod, and then you would be able to use the Infernum multiplayer patch. This was available in the workshop, and as you can clearly see, it has a lot of likes, a lot of people subscribe to it, and essentially it does what the name suggests. It was a patch for multiplayer that made it not broken, and it was able to be more balanced. But as you can see, as of 2013, this mod has been integrated into the main Infernum mod. So essentially, you don't have to do anything else. As long as you get the Calamity mod, which you should already be familiar with getting, and then the Infernum mode mod, you will have access to the multiplayer functionalities and patch. Keep in mind that you might see some glitches here and there. The truth is that multiplayer will always be more broken than single player. These mods are primarily developed for single player, of course, but multiplayer should work regardless. And you will be able to set up a server much like you would with any other Terraria mod or version. You just host a server, and your friends, as long as they have the necessary mods, will be able to join you. So they will be able to use join via Steam or join via IP if you set up a server that way, and all of you can play together. So just open up the game, go over to host and play, choose any of your available worlds, and start playing. Your friends will be able to do the same, and then just go over to join via Steam, select you, and you can send them an invite if needed. Just make sure that you have the latest version of the Infernum mode patch, and the multiplayer things should already be included. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Calamity Infernum multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.